was looking like a fool when I met ya.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a fabulous day as usual. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing video. I'm super excited about this video, you guys. This is a handbag where I don't want to say that I've had my eye on this specific handbag for a while, but I have had my eye on getting a bag in this color. So just to give you a little hint, I may or may not be wearing the lip color, just similar to the bag. So you'll have to just wait and see. So without further ado, if you guys are new to my channel, make sure to hit that little subscribe button. And if you want to see what new bag I got from YSL, then keep watching. Alright, if you've been watching me for a long time, you know that I love black bags. A lot of times my unboxing videos are black bags. I have my Dior, I have my Chanel, I have my YSL, my Gucci. Like, that's just kind of like the bags that I gravitate towards because I wear black a lot. But I thought to myself, you know what? I want to branch out and I want to invest in a bag that is a good pop of color. So I thought, you know, the Christmas season is coming up. I've been doing a lot of holiday shopping and I'm like, you know what? I am going to treat myself as well. You know, I didn't get like a super expensive bag. Well, it's all relative. I didn't go out and buy like a Chanel bag, but I did want to treat myself to just a little something, and I'm really excited about it. So let me stop talking and let's get into it, and then we'll talk all about the bag. So as you can imagine from the title, it is by Saint Laurent. Like I said, I have not unboxed it at all. I'm so excited. So let me open the box here. It comes nicely wrapped in the YSL dust bag, and then you get the authenticity cards right here. And we're going to do this together. The bag that I got is... This is the YSL Mini Lou camera bag. Oh, it is so pretty, and this is such a beautiful red. I was so excited to see it in person because I have not seen this bag in person at all. And I was looking on the website, and let me kind of tell you the backstory before we kind of dive into this bag a little bit. So, like I said, I have a lot of black bags, and I really wanted to get a nice pop of color because I did get a Burberry scarf. I thought it would look like a nice red bag would look great with the Burberry scarf, but I wasn't sure which bag to get, and I knew I didn't want to go super expensive. Again, it's all relative because of course this bag is expensive, but I was torn between three bags. I was torn between this one, which is the Mini Lou camera. I was torn between the Gucci Soho Disco bag, which you know that I have that in black and I love that, and then I was torn between the Gucci Mini Marmont. So I have the Mini Marmont in the black and I have the Gucci Soho in black. So I thought, you know what? I don't really want to get either one of those bags just because I do already have them in different colors and I want to get something different. So I do have the YSL camera bag, the regular large size, which I absolutely love. You might have seen a video I did where I compared the Soho Disco to the YSL camera bag. Make sure to check that out if you haven't. But I really liked it so much that I wanted to get another one that was similar, but this is the Mini Lou. So it's really tiny and it is so adorable. One thing I love about the YSL bags is the leather. This pebbled leather is so durable and you don't have to worry about scuffing it or getting marks on it because it holds up really well. So let me show you like up close to the back. So you can see it is this beautiful candy apple red and it has the gold YSL logo. It comes with a gold chain and then it has a nice little red pebbled leather. This is kind of like a shoulder strap. Now I will mainly be wearing this bag as a crossbody bag. The one thing I like too is it comes with a little back pocket. I feel like I could stuff my phone in there or maybe like a little card holder, but I really like that. And then it comes with this nice little tassel. But I actually watched a couple videos on this and it can surprisingly hold a lot, which is something I was really excited about. So let's open it. Okay, and then it does have paper in it, so let me take the paper out. Okay, so you can see it has black, it has leather interior, which I really like because I feel like it'd be good to wipe down as opposed to the canvas. You might have seen on Insta stories, I have my Gucci Soho Disco bag and I got pen on the inside of it. I left a cap off of a pen and the interior of the canvas, oh my gosh, it's like ruined. So I'm hoping it'll be nicer to have a leather interior that's black because you won't really be be able to see if there are a lot of marks on it. But you can see it has 3 credit card holders right here, and that's it. Other than that, it's just one kind of big pouch. But I think that this bag is a little deceiving because it looks really small, but when I looked at the reviews, it looks like you can fit quite a bit in it. So I'm really excited to wear it, you guys. If you want me to, I can do a review once I've had it for a long time, and then make sure to follow me on Instagram because I will be showing you shots of how I style it. But I just think it's so beautiful. I really wanted to add a pop of color to my collection because the majority of my bags are black, and the reason for that is because I've always thought, well, if I'm going to invest the money in a bag, I want to make sure it's something that I can wear a lot. But I really think I'm going to get a lot of use out of this right now, especially for the holiday season. You have Valentine's Day coming up, and it's just nice to have a beautiful red bag. I just want to do like a quick little what can fit in the bag. So I keep a lot of my like small leather goods in here, so I'm just going to randomly like throw some stuff. So this right here is the mini pochette. I want to see if this fits. And you can see it does fit in there. And what else can I grab? I have this little guy right here. This is my 6-ring key holder. So I want to see if this can fit as well, which it can. I have a little YSL card holder, which I can fit. And then I can probably squeeze my phone in the back, and then you can put like a lipstick. But you can see it's got the mini pochette, it's got my 6-ring key holder, and then has a card holder, and then this closes nicely. I like it because the bag is deep, so you can see that the zipper's not going to get caught on anything. But I think, like I said, this bag, one of the reasons I wanted to get it, it was more inexpensive compared to a lot of the bags, and then it was little and cute and compact, but you can fit quite a bit in. I will do a review, and if you guys want me to do a comparison video coming up, if you want me to like compare this to the Soho Disco, if you want me to compare this to the regular camera bag, if you want me to compare this to the Alma BB, whatever you want me to compare this to, let me know, and I will definitely have to do that for you. But I'm so excited. I've been wanting a red bag for a really long time, so I'm just really pleased with this one. I think the quality is great. It feels durable. I think I'm going to wear it a lot, and I think it's going to match really nicely with my Burberry scarf. So I will be sure to link this bag down below. I'll look for it on the pre-love market, and then I'll also link it down below new as well, because I feel like now with the holiday season coming up, you have to have a red bag. And I will also link the mini Marmont red one that I was thinking of getting, as well as the Gucci Soho Disco bag in red down below, in the event those bags maybe appeal to you more. So okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you're new to my channel, and follow me on Instagram. I will be sure to style this bag, so make sure to follow me on there so you can see how I wear it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful holiday season. Have a wonderful day, and let me know what bag, this is what I want to know from you guys, what bag is on your holiday wish list? Is there a bag that you've just been eyeing that you really want? Let me know, and let me know, were you surprised that I picked this bag? On Instagram yesterday when I told you that I got a new bag, were you surprised that this is the one that I did pick up? Because I don't think that I really mentioned this, so I feel like it might have come as a surprise, but I'm not sure. So let me know what you think, you guys. Again, have a good one, and I will see you in my next video.
I was looking like a fool when I met ya, all covered up in the dirt from my past. So insecure about myself when I met ya.